working on doing some coffee dyeing. See if I can You have to be in the mood for coffee dyeing because it makes such a mess. I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Hopefully I'll be good for coffee dyeing for a while. In one of the auction boxes that had a bunch of cards, greeting cards, were a number of black and white photographs. And it looks like this person was kind of a historian of these are from March of '86. They liked checking out graves and stones. I'm going to try roughing these up and making them as a substrate for something. See if I can just get the shiny off of them. Any of the shiny? If anything, at least I'll be able to glue better on these. I'm going to take the sanding sponge to all of these photographs. In with those photographs was also a bag of negatives. I sanded down the fronts of the photographs and I used my Beacon 3-in-1 to glue on the negatives, so they'll act kind of like a tab on a tag. I might just round over the corners or cut the corners as in a tag shape before I go further. I had taken 3 paint chips from one store, and then I had gone to another store and got 3 more paint chips, all in the pink. I used my little edger, my hole punch edger, cut these. You can tell that they're paint chips. cut these into the tag shape. I think putting some kind of white music paper in here on these, and then a focal point. I've got this cute little book, Women Make the Best Friends. I got it from Habitat for Humanity Restore for $1, I do believe. There are a number of the beginnings of a chapter with a cute little picture. I will cut out and use my hole punch to make a pretty little decorative edge. Here's the 3 that look like tags. I think I'm going to do a butterfly stamp. Should practice this, make sure it's got good coverage. Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. I'll do the other 3 in another stamp. All right, so we got these 3. And those 3. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it when you're here watching my videos and keeping me company. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, you don't have to hit it again. Bye.